Use the Classroom app in Gemini to set up your classroom topics. So I go into Gemini, hit the @ symbol, and select Classroom. Now I'm going to put my prompt in because I want Gemini to help me create a template based on dates for marking period 1. So I'm going to upload the calendar for my school district. And I want the dates to go from earliest date at the top to latest date at the bottom. So now the magic begins. Now it's connecting to the classroom and it's starting to work on the topic creation for me. And now it's sequencing it and connecting it to my classroom. So now that the construction has been done, it successfully completed the topics for me. It has the dates here. And now all my classroom topics are set up for marking period 1.